Morning of students, fourth class. We have studied so many points in the chapter chemical reactions and equation. In the chapter chemical reactions and equations. Once you will remember which points learned in before classes in this chapter. Some points are ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Many types of the changes takes place in our surroundings, and also changes that takes place daily in our surroundings. They classify physical changes and chemical changes. Chemical changes, there takes place, we can say that easily, there takes place chemical reactions. The observations we identify easily takes place chemical reactions. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Now chemical equation, chemical reaction, the process in which changes and the substance undergo changes to form new substance. The process in which the substance undergo changes to form new substance called chemical reaction. Symbolic representation of the reactants and formula with the help of the symbols and reactants and products with the help of the symbols and formula, that is commonly called as chemical equation. Symbolic representation of reaction with the help of symbols and formula with respect to reactants and products. Symbolic representation. Now balance and chemical equation equalize the number of atoms on both sides of the arrow. Equalize the number of atoms of reactants and products called balance and chemical equation. There are 7 steps as follows for balancing chemical equation. The method of balancing chemical equation called heat and trial method, and mention the physical states of the reactant and products along with the formula because make the equation more informative. So such points we studied in before classes. Now let us study some points here under the heading types of chemical reaction. Based on the nature of reactants and products, here we classify 4 types of the chemical reaction. So reactants ಮತ್ತೆ products ಗಳ ಸ್ವಭಾವದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ here we classify 4 types of chemical reaction. 4 ವಿಧದ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. The first type of the chemical reaction, chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction. Second one type, chemical decomposition reaction. Third one type, chemical displacement reaction. Fourth one type, chemical double displacement or double decomposition reaction. The first one now we are understanding. Based on the nature of reactant and product, here we classify four types of chemical reaction. There are the four types of chemical reaction. Now let us study one by one with the different examples. Come to first one type of the chemical reaction, chemical combination reaction. Now first to define what we call chemical combination reaction. Later goes to some other information there given. Define the chemical combination reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more substances chemically combine to form the single substance. Two or more substances ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು. Here substances, elements or compounds. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substances ಅಂದಾಗ elements ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ compounds ಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಹೊಂದಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೊಸ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವಸ್ತು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಂಯೋಗ ಹೊಂದಿ ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is called a chemical combination reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more substances chemically combine. Two or more substances chemically combine to form single new substance. To form single new substance. This is called a chemical combination reaction. This is also termed as another statement. The chemical reaction in which two or more reactants are chemically combined. Now we have said the reactant instead of the substances. Two or more reactants are chemically combined to form single new product. Two or more reactants chemically combine to form single new substance, to form single new product. So here define the chemical reaction by different terms. Once again remember, two or more substances chemically combine to form single new substance. Otherwise, two or more reactants are chemically combined to form single new product. This is called a chemical combination reaction. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿ ಹೊಸ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. This is called a chemical combination reaction. Now we are understand define chemical combination reaction. First point study. What does this classify four types of the chemical reaction? Identify four types of the chemical reaction. Second part, define the chemical combination reaction. Goes to next point. Here given some of the information. By this information we know that we are easily types of the different examples of chemical combination reaction. So one of the information here given that understand by the activity. One of the example of chemical combination reaction. So many examples are here given. Now identify some examples of chemical combination reaction. Now consider different examples of chemical combination reaction. Comes to one of the information here. different examples of chemical combination reaction. So that understand by activity. The activity ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. That understand by activity. Observe. Here take some amount of calcium oxide in beaker. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗಮನಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮೂಲಕ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? here given activity or experiment. By that experiment or activity we identify example of chemical combination reaction. Directly here we say example of chemical combination reaction. Direct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But some information ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. The activity here take some amount of calcium oxide in beaker. Calcium oxide in beaker. So what happens? Calcium oxide react with the water. Explain the experiment. ಆಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ವಿವರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, take some amount of calcium oxide in beaker. So here now identify the diagram. So here mention the different parts. So that's called the calcium oxide. So here label the parts. It's called beaker. Beaker. It's called calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. The calcium oxide also called as commonly called as quicklime. Sutta sunna anta karithivi. It is called as quicklime. Sutta sunna anta karithivi. Quicklime. So it is represented by the formula CaO. Calcium oxide CaO. So now explain experiment. By that experiment we identified one of the example of the chemical combination reaction. So it also says what happens? Calcium oxide react with water. Explain the experiment. After the information ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. The calcium oxide also called what? Quicklime. Its formula CaO. Here take some amount of calcium oxide in beaker. Second point, pour water slowly into it. Here pour water. So that's one now called what? Water. So it's called what? Water. Here what also identify bubbles. So in this diagram here we label all these parts: beaker, water, bubbles, calcium oxide. So ಈ ತರ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ: calcium oxide, water, bubbles, beaker. So this is the diagram. What happens? Calcium oxide react with the water. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is the reaction of the calcium oxide with water? ಆಗ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What happens? Calcium oxide react with water. What is the reaction of calcium oxide with the water? Explain the experiment. So write the diagram and explain some information. Take some amount of water, take some amount of calcium oxide in beaker. Add water or pour water slowly into it. What happens? water poured into calcium oxide beaker. What is the reaction of the calcium oxide and water? That express chemical reaction. So ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. What happens? Calcium oxide react with water. What happens? Water poured into calcium oxide beaker. In answer is that express chemical reaction, that express chemical combination reaction ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Now identify here. Whenever water poured into calcium oxide in beaker, that express chemical reaction. Calcium oxide react with the water to form single new substance, to form a new product. The new product that is called as calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide react with the water to form a single new product that is called as calcium hydroxide. So this chemical reaction or chemical change represented by what equation? Formula equation. The word equation now here represents calcium oxide that react with the water to form calcium hydroxide. To form calcium hydroxide along with the liberation of heat energy. This chemical reaction is also represented by formula equation. Calcium oxide, its formula CaO. It reacts with the water H2O to form the product calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Liberation more amount of heat energy. CaOH twice is called as calcium hydroxide. It's called what? Calcium hydroxide. So it also called what? Lime water. It also called what? Lime water. In this equation here mention the physical state of the reactants and products because when the equation is more informative. The physical states of the reactant and product calcium oxide is found solid state. Water found liquid state. Calcium hydroxide found aqueous solution state. What do we call aqueous? We know already aqueous. So aqueous means the reactant or products present as solution in water. Reactant products present as solution in water. So this is the chemical equation. Here balancing number of atoms. This is a balanced equation. One atom of calcium. One atom of calcium. Here. 1 and 2 atoms of oxygen. Here 2 atoms of oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen. 2 atoms of hydrogen. This is the balanced chemical equation. In this equation mention physical states also. So in equation ನಾವು 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is the example of the chemical combination reaction. Second point. What happens? Calcium oxide react with water. Calcium oxide react with water to form the calcium hydroxide. Third point. Fourth point. What is the reaction of calcium oxide with water? Calcium oxide react with the water to form the calcium hydroxide. Or you express chemical combination reaction. ಈ ತರ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Example of the chemical combination reaction. What happens? Calcium oxide react with water. Here takes place chemical combination reaction. What is the reaction of calcium oxide and water? Calcium oxide react with the water to form the calcium hydroxide. इतना अर्थ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Calcium oxide is called as alkaline. ಶುದ್ಧ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Calcium hydroxide called as lime water. ಸುಣ್ಣದ ತಿಳಿ ನೀರು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is the one of the example of the chemical combination reaction. Now goes to some other points here. In this reaction, calcium oxide reacts with the water to form the light water calcium hydroxide with the liberation of heat energy. ಈ ಒಂದು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ heat energy ಕೂಡ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ heat ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Hence this chemical reaction, chemical combination reaction is also called as. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ chemical combination reaction ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? The chemical combination reaction also called as exothermic reaction. Chemical combination reaction is also called as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Chemical combination reaction also called as exothermic reaction. What we call exothermic reaction? The chemical reaction in which heat energy liberated. Heat energy liberated ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು heat energy liberated. Chemical reaction in which heat energy liberated. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ heat ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ heat ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Chemical reaction in which heat energy liberated is called exothermic reaction. Chemical combination reaction is also called as exothermic reaction. So this is some parts about the chemical combination reaction. One type of chemical reaction. Two or more reactants chemically combine to form single new product called chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction is also called as exothermic reaction because here heat energy liberated. One of the example of the chemical combination reaction, calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide called as calcium hydroxide called as lime water. Such a 5 parts form are identified under the experiment. For example of chemical combination reaction. Now let's learn one of the use or application of the calcium hydroxide. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ. Otherwise, one of the use or application of this type of chemical reaction. ಈ ಒಂದು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ. Now comes to that point. Use of calcium hydroxide solution. Here calcium hydroxide. So represent as formula CaO2 twice. Calcium called what? Lime water. So calcium hydroxide solution in water. ಸುಣ್ಣದ ತಿಳಿ ನೀರು. It is used for whitewashing wall. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Calcium hydroxide solution in water used for whitewashing wall. Whitewashing wall. So ಗೋಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಣ್ಣವನ್ನು ಬಳಿಯಲು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So it is used for whitewashing wall. ಗೋಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಣ್ಣವನ್ನು ಬಳಿಯಲು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So because of the reason, so calcium hydroxide in solution, the calcium hydroxide. So whenever used for whitewashing on the wall, then calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide in the air. Calcium hydroxide that react with the carbon dioxide in the air. Carbon dioxide in the air. So calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide in the air to form the calcium carbonate. To form the calcium carbonate. calcium carbonate. So this is the chemical equation. What happens? Calcium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide in the air. Calcium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide in the air to form the calcium carbonate. The formula of the calcium carbonate CaCO3. Formula of the calcium carbonate CaCO3 carbonate. So calcium carbonate found as aqueous solution state. So commonly mention solid other nota mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ calcium carbonate. Solid state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Now comes to these points. So whenever calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate, that means calcium hydroxide solution used for whitewashing wall after 2 or 3 days, thin layer of calcium carbonate appear on the wall and give shiny surface on the wall. So ಈ ಸುಣ್ಣದ ತಿಳಿನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಳಿದ 2-3 ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ತೆಳುವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪದರ ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ನೋಟವನ್ನ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, what happens? Calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide. What is the reaction of the calcium hydroxide with the carbon dioxide? Then they say the answer. Calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate. So now balance the equation. 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon, 1 atom of carbon, 2 atoms of hydrogen, here 4 atoms of hydrogen, 3 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen, 4 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen. 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon, 2 plus 2, 4 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of hydrogen. This is the balanced chemical equation. So what happens? What is the reaction? The answer ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Calcium hydroxide ಸುಣ್ಣದ ತಿಳಿನೀರು react with the carbon dioxide later to form the calcium carbonate. Okay, this is one of the information here about the calcium hydroxide. Now goes to some other example of the chemical combination reaction. First point everyone, chemical combination reaction. Second point everyone, what happens reaction of the, what is the reaction of the calcium oxide with the water. Third point everyone, what is the use of the calcium hydroxide solution? Why it is used for whitewashing wall? Because give shiny surface on the shiny surface to the wall. So now goes to different examples of the chemical combination reaction. Every example something you identified ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First one example here already identified. First one example here already identified. Calcium oxide react with the water. React with the water to form the calcium hydroxide. The liberation of heat energy. Mention the physical state. Calcium physical state. Calcium oxide solid state. Water liquid state. Calcium hydroxide aqueous solution state. Now also other examples of the chemical combination reaction. One of the example, combustion of the coal. Second one example now identified here, combustion of coal. Example of the chemical combination reaction represented by the chemical equation. Coal is a atom of the carbon and here mention C. Coal amorphous atom of the carbon ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲು. So combustion of the coal react with oxygen in the air to form the carbon dioxide. So here 4 is found solid state, oxygen from gaseous state, carbon dioxide from gaseous state. So physical states no kuda mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. So coal react with oxygen in the air to form the carbon dioxide. So are no reactants. Two reactants chemically combine to form a single new product. An example of chemical combination reaction. And next one example formation of the water. So that is also example of the chemical combination reaction. Formation of the water. That means hydrogen react with the oxygen. Hydrogen react with the oxygen to form the water. So here, so that's a balancing chemical equation. So 4 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen, 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O. This is a balancing chemical equation. So here mention the physical state: hydrogen gaseous state, oxygen gaseous state, water liquid state. Mention the physical state also. And now identify only examples of the chemical combination reaction. CaO plus H2O plus CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide. C plus O2 to form the CO2. 2H2 plus O2 to H2O. Other examples also identified here. Their examples also identified ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In some other examples here. So one of the example like magnesium react with the oxygen in the air to form the magnesium oxide. 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. Magnesium forms solid state, oxygen forms gaseous state, magnesium oxide forms solid state. 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. Magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Another example, nitrogen react with the hydrogen to form ammonia, NH3. So balance the equation: 2N plus 3H2O, then 2NH3. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 3 to the 6 atoms of hydrogen, 6 atoms of hydrogen. They already understand the method of balancing the equation. So here 2 reactants chemically combine to form a single product. Nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. Another examples like ammonia, NH3 react with hydrogen chloride to form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So 1 atom of nitrogen, 1 atom of hydrogen. 3 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen, 4 atoms of hydrogen. 1 atom of chlorine, 1 atom of chlorine. Ammonia react with hydrogen chloride to form ammonium chloride. Nitrogen react with hydrogen, ammonia. Magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Hydrogen react with water to form the water. Carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So this different examples are identified. So those are examples of chemical combination reaction. So ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ chemical combination reactions identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH twice. C plus O2 CO2. 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. 2N plus 3H2 2NH3. NH3 plus HCl NH4Cl. Two or more reactants chemically combine to form single new product. Third one, chemical combination reaction. This chemical combination reaction also called exothermic reaction. Now consider points here. Some of the examples of exothermic reactions that are given. Now identify this example. Exothermic reactions. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ heat energy liberated. Chemical combination reaction is also called what? Exothermic reaction because we are heat energy liberated. So in heat energy ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Reactants chemically combine to form single product with along with the heat energy. So ಈ examples ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Exothermic reactions ಗೆ chemical combinations examples ಕೊಡಿರಿ, examples ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Along these examples, other two examples also given here. Now identify this two example along with all these examples. The other examples okay, very examples ko identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now comes to those points. Examples of chemical combination reaction or exothermic reaction. We know already exothermic reaction, the reaction in which heat energy liberated. Different example, CaO plus H2O 2 rise to CaOH plus heat energy, 2Mg plus O2 2MgO plus heat energy. Other jotege another examples of exothermic reaction. So burning of natural gas, burning of natural gas. So this is one of the example of exothermic reaction or combination reaction. That means the major component of the natural gas called as methane is found in gaseous state. That reacts with the oxygen in the air. Oxygen in the air. So methane that reacts with the oxygen in the air to form carbon dioxide, and also some amount of the to form carbon dioxide. So burning of the natural gas, which is react with oxygen, CO2. Now taking one of the example, burning of the natural gas is an example of the chemical combination reaction. Or exothermic reaction, here heat energy liberated. Taking another example, exothermic reaction, here heat energy liberated. That one, respiration. That is also suitable example of the exothermic reaction. Respiration. So listen here. Here already understand. So first example said B. So there are example of combination reaction, such example of exothermic reaction because it is liberated. So next example is put there. Burning of the natural gas. So that is also example of the exothermic reaction because here heat energy liberated. Heat energy liberated. And second one example of the combination reaction here given, exothermic reaction mainly here given respiration process. One example. Here already understand. So respiration is one of the common process. All organisms respire because to survive. We cannot respire, cannot live, cannot survive on the surface of the earth. Respiration is also called as energy liberating process. That means we consume food, we respire, essentially because of survive. Cannot taking food, cannot respire, is not possible on the face of earth. So we obtain food because that supply food to our body, that provide energy to our body. So now food to our body because that provide energy to our body. Without energy cannot do any activities in our day-to-day life. Respiration, energy liberating process. ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ವೈವ್. ರೆಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಡ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ನಾವು ಬದುಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. we take in food that provide energy to our body. So here we consume different types of food in our day-to-day life. So during digestion, the different types of the food that break down into simplest particle. We consume different types of the food, rice, ragi, and milk products, and also lemon products, ghee, butter. We consume varieties of the food. So here we consume different types of the food that contain carbohydrate, contain proteins, lipids, and so on. During digestion, this food that's converted into simplest particle that is called glucose. The glucose breakdown supply energy to our body and also release energy to our body. Hence here respiration called energy liberating process and also one of the example of exothermic reaction. Okay students, here study all these points, learn some more points.